Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us who you are and what your role is at Verity, Mark?
Sure. My name's Mark Armbrust, and I'm an area sales manager at Verity. And my job is to talk to our customers in the United States about our automated inventory tracking system using self-flying drones and help them benefit from our products and services.
You had mentioned that you really that you had found CSCMP partly because of investigating the Edge conference. Why did you decide to join the organization?
Yeah, I really decided to join it. As you said, I was looking to attend the Edge conference and then started investigating the organization itself in greater detail and wanted to find out if it was a good fit for Verity. So at Verity, when we automate inventory systems, really procurement is not the best department for us to talk to. So I saw at CSCMP that really the membership there covers the entire supply chain network, really. So it seemed like a great organization for us to join. I've always been a big believer in networking and connecting with other professionals. And so I decided to join the organization and can't wait to meet other professionals in the industry.
Was there anything that surprised you? I mean, other than it sounds like the breadth of supply chain professionals' involvement surprised you, but was there anything else that made it very compelling for you?
Yes, when I started looking at the organization, all the thought leadership opportunities that it offered was really surprising to me. I mean, it was everything from content sharing to speakership opportunities to sponsored webinars, podcasts, emails, and that list just goes on and on and on. And then it really seemed like the Edge conference was just icing on the cake, at that point. The second thing, speaking of the conference, was I learned that there are about 2,500 attendees that are going to be at the conference. So it's very well attended. And it's just all the people in the industry and the professionals in the industry in one place at one time, sharing their knowledge. And it's surprising and impressive at the same time.
Last question. What are you particularly looking forward to at the Edge conference?
Well, I'm really looking forward to the entire conference, but specifically in talking to supply chain professionals and warehouse professionals about automating their inventory tracking. At Verity, a lot of people get excited about the self-flying drones, and that's the cool part of our technology. But at Verity, we get more excited when we see people that have been searching for ways to improve their warehouse operations, and they're searching and searching for different things, and they see our technology and they say, yeah, that's it. That's really going to benefit us in what we're doing in our warehouse. So that's exciting. We also run into some people that have looked at other solutions in the past and have not been satisfied or have had negative experiences. And we talk to those people about how far the technology has come and what we're doing with our customers now. And they're really impressed with that, and they have a new perspective on it. So that's exciting for us as well. So I'm looking forward to connecting with those professionals, and then really going to see some of the sessions, including the Women's Leadership Forum, which is going to be great, and also the other sessions like the mega sessions, and it's all going to be really great opportunity for knowledge sharing. And the industry is really going through a lot of change and innovation now, and it's just going to be exciting to see everybody in the same place, all learning and trying to innovate, and seeing what's next, and going back to their organizations and making the changes.
Great. Great. Sounds exciting. So,
Thank you.
okay. Well, thank you for joining us and have a wonderful time at the event.
Thank you. I will.